Hi guys, my name is Khalil T. Agbon.
Hi guys, my name is Christian Jericho Amistoso.
Hi guys, I'm Mark Oliver Ebalbin.
Hi guys, my name is Jefferson H. Ballesteros.
Hi guys, my name is Dante J. Batalya.
Good day guys, my name is Mark Kenneth Bertos.
My name is John Alexander Princess.
I am Jerome Jake Buon.
I am Rice Joy A. Amante.
Hi, my name is Joanna Marie L. Aquino.
I'm Angeline Guelia.
I am Canyares Adeline Stacy, and we're going to present the geometric designs and different forms of transformation.
Geometric design. Geometrical design is a branch of computational geometry. It deals with the construction and the presentation of freeform, curves, surfaces, or volumes, and are closely related to geometric modeling. Core problems are curve and surface modeling and representation.
The geometric design is a fun trend that focuses on the simplistic beauty of mixing certain shapes, lines, and curves together for creative results. You may have seen it incorporated into fresh tattoo designs, abstract backgrounds, and even jewelry designs. What you should know about geometric design. The geometric design is a popular trend that showcases basic shapes in creative designs, rooted in actual mathematical principles. A geometric design can be created with formulaic precision or through experimentation. It's often used to create seamless patterns, abstract backgrounds, and cool photo effects.
What is isometry? Isometry, a transformation that maps every segments to incongruent segments. It preserves distance, area, and angle size. An isometry is a distance-preserving map from some space itself a rigid motion. In mathematics, a rigid transformation is a geometric transformation of Euclidean space that preserves the Euclidean distance between every pair of points. The rigid transformation include rotation, translation, reflection, or any sequence of these.
For example, f close open parenthesis x is equal to x plus 5 is a isometry of the real line. The whole line is shifted by 5 and distance between points remain unchanged. A symmetry of a figure in some space is an isometry of that space, which maps the figure to itself.
Translation is a geometric transformation that moves every point of a figure, shape, or space by the same distance in a given direction. A translation can also be interpreted as the additional of a constant vector to every point or as shifting the origin of the coordinate system.
Translation is a type of transformation that takes its point, a figure, and slides it the same distance in the same direction. Translation an interpretation from the language or situation to another. A geometric transformation that moves every point of a figure, shape, or space by the same distance in a given direction. Ang translation ay ang paglipat ng kanyang imahe depende sa bilang ng instruction na ibibigay, kung negative ba o positive. Pag positive ay pataas ang kanyang movements and negative pababa. Dahil ang translation ay merong graph, merong y-axis, x-axis, and y coordinate. Ang translation ay ang paglipat na may magkaparehas na points ang picture at bilang taas na hindi maaaring mabago.
Rotation in mathematics is a concept originating in the geometry. Any rotation is a motion of the certain space that preserve it at least one point in can describe, for example, the motion of the grid body around a fixed point.
Rotation describes the circular motion of an object around its center. There are different ways things can rotate. A very familiar
kind of a rotation is when this spherical, this spherical is shaped like sphere. It has a center, this center. The center of rotation is a point about which a plane figure rotates. This point does not move during the rotation. It stays whenever it rotates. Rotating shapes means moving them around a fixed point, clockwise or anti-clockwise, and by a certain number of degrees, even though it's 40 degrees, 30 degrees, or 360. The shape itself stays exactly the same, but its position in the space will change.
A reflection is a mirror image of the shape. An image will reflect through a line known as the line of reflection. A figure is said to reflect the other figure, and then every point in a figure is equidistant from each corresponding endpoint in another figure.
In a reflection transformation, all the points of an object are reflected or flipped on a line called the axis of reflection or line of reflection. Example, this chart. A reflection is defined by the axis of symmetry or mirror line. In the above diagram, the mirror line is x equals 3. And the reflection, the shape and size of an image is exactly the same as the original figure. This type of transformation is called isometric transformation. The orientation is laterally inverted, that is, they are facing opposite directions. And the line of reflection is the perpendicular bisector of the line joining any point and its image. All the points on the mirror line are not changed. These points are said to be invariant. R is invariant point in the above.
A glide reflection in math is a combination of transformation in two-dimensional geometry. First, a translation is performed on the figure, and then it is reflected over a line. Therefore, glide reflection is also known as transflexion. Translation simply means moving every point of the shape must move the same distance and the same direction. Reflection means reflecting an image over a mirror line. Every point is the same distance from the central line after performing reflection on an object.
In mathematics, a reflection is a concatenation of two-dimensional geometric transformations. The figure is first translated, after which it is reflected over a line. Glide reflection is also referred to transflexion for this reason. Simply put, translation refers to the act of moving. Each point of the shape must move the same amount and the same direction. Reflection is the act of reflecting an image across a mirror border. After performing reflection on an item, all points are equally distant from the central line.